start recording. Yeah. Everybody understood that trap, Geico piano? Any doubt about that? Any doubt whatsoever?
No, sir.
Good.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show that trap again, Geico piano?
Entire? I don't mind. I don't mind.
हाय सर, गुड इव्हनिंग.
Yeah, good evening.
सर अजूनपर्यंत काय केलं?
काहीच नाही.
चालेल.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. See, last time what we saw is a Geico piano or Italian opening, a normal variation. There are many different variations in this. Means many different moves are possible. It is your creativity. I just show you a way, but a small variation will give you a different structure, different position, and all these thing is good for white, and there are some things which are good for black. So you will perhaps ask me what is good for black. Okay, so today I will show you the move which is really good for black, and the game is balanced. I haven't studied much for that opening, but still whatever I know today I will teach you that, and the details in that I will teach you next Monday. Okay, I didn't had much time for studying that. I can show from white it is good. I have studied a lot, but from black I haven't studied a lot, because that one move is quite good for defending. Please note this, all of you. E4, E5, this is common, because unless it is E4, E5, you cannot go ahead in this kind of opening. So here, please do not ask why E5.
Okay, sir.
Then, as usual, these next two moves are common. That is NF3 or Bishop C4. And this comes. Then this comes. These are common. Now here is the move which is something different. And it is highly recommended to be played. Can anybody tell me? Just out of your creativity, how you can respond to this move from black so that you would be better placed. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the
Yes,
bishop
yes.
will, sir, the bishop will come to E7.
Bishop will
Sir.
come to E7. Okay, this is one thing. Anybody else?
Sir, pawn in
Sir?
B7. Sir, pawn in B7 will come to B5.
Pawn in B7 will come to B5.
Yes.
Sir?
That is a good.
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
can I tell?
Yes.
Bishop will come to B4.
So that is the normal move. B4. Oh, sorry. Bishop will come to B4. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So I got 3 moves so far. Anybody else want to try?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Can I try?
Sir, the
Yes,
pawn
try.
will. Sir, the pawn will come to d5.
Or directly pawn will come to d5. Okay. Yeah. Anybody else?
Sir, can I
Yes.
try?
Yes.
Or F.
You speak. You speak. Don't ask. You take my permission. You speak. Only you have to say that move.
Will come to E7.
F8. What it is? F8. Bishop will come to E7.
Yes,
E7,
sir.
na? Yeah, that is somebody has already told. See, apart from this 1, 2, 3, and 4, if you have any other move, you please tell me. Queen to
f6.
okay, fine.
Sir, Bishop
Yes,
to C5.
this is normal opening. Bishop to C5 we don't consider because this is what is a regular opening. Apart from this, I am
Sir.
asking you. Yes,
Sir, knight to f6.
knight to F6. Okay, yes, fine. Chalo, I will tell you what. First of all, we will see all these moves also. Because if you feel these moves are good, so let us analyze this move. Here, we will go one by one. This pawn over here is a bad move. Because only one support and 2 attacks. What will happen? Bishop will kill this pawn and the position continues. So one pawn less, giving that pawn not much benefit. Only benefit black will have is opening up this bishop. That's all. Benefit is there, no doubt about it. But this is the only benefit. So forget this move. Then secondly, you suggested this move, somebody. This move will invite this pawn over here, which black wants it. So bishop may go back over here or may go back over here, and you can move this pawn also, which we saw yesterday. So white wants to do these two moves and these two moves, this and this, and you are inviting him. So that is again a bad thing. Okay. So this gone and this gone. Then this is, we always say this is a regular classic move. So we are not going to think about these moves. Then this move is a regular move, but it invites a possible trap from white side, that is fried liver attack. We have seen that, na? Have we seen fried liver attack? We have
Yes,
seen.
sir.
For
Yeah.
me, I also seen.
Yeah. So we have seen the fried liver attack. So it is clear invitation again, because this particular place, which is guarded by this queen, knight cannot come to this place and attack this pawn. But if you move this, knight can come over here and attack will be there. So that is why this move is not played now. The real correct move, there are 3 moves which can be played. This is one move is played this way also. Simply extra support so that this becomes free. This becomes free. Horse. And this will be here. Next move. This is one played. Another move played is this also. Now this is attacked. It cannot come over here. This is also attacked. And if it comes over here, then this is attacked again. So wherever it goes, the attack is there. And then simply cancel this bishop with your knight. Whatever tempo white is having, that tempo is lost. Tempo here means what? The initiative. White has got first move initiative, that initiative is lost. Developed piece is lost. This is one good move, brother. You must always think of this. And there is a second move, which is itself is played as a trap from black side, is this. This is very widely played. This can be played now or can be played little later also. Little later means first this and then you can play that. Whatever, if he plays this, then you can play this. But here playing little later means what? This pawn can come and then you cannot play. So that is why, to avoid that, immediately this can be played attacking this. Now white has options. What are the options white is having?
Knight
White
to
has
knight,
option knight takes knight. It has support.
pawn comes ahead.
Then knight takes pawn, free, and attack continues over here. Then Dhanadhan. White does have this opportunity now. But even though knowing this, I am saying this move is good, or books, all chess books also, they say this move is good.
Sir, knight
Why?
to knight better. Sir, because if knight takes the pawn in e5 and again if it takes in f7, so king can kill.
अरे
And
बिशप
we
काय के लिए बैठा है इधर? बैंगल रखा है क्या बिशप के हाथ में? Yes.
Knight to pawn.
Knight to pawn, you feel knight to pawn. So this is what a trap. When I say a trap, that time something is given as a bait. Bait means B-A-I-T, bait, something. So that bait is taken by the prey. So who is the prey over here? White. White is the prey. White takes that bait and falls into trap. So this is the bait. Free is always a bait. साड़ी की दुकान में जब सेल लगता है या कहीं भी सेल लगता है तो आप बोलते हैं ना, पापा दुकान में सेल लग गया है, बहुत सस्ता है, तो चलो जाके कुछ परचेस कर लेंगे. सो दैट इज अ बेट. अभी आजकल साड़ी की दुकान, आप लोग तो छोटे हो लेकिन मॉल में जाते हो तो कुछ सस्ता रहता है, लेकिन एक सस्ती चीज खरीदी करने के लिए आप जाते हो तो दो महंगी चीज लेके आते हो. वहां पर सिर्फ एक ही चीज सस्ती रहती है, बाकी की सब महंगी रहती है. एंड व्हेन यू गो यू परचेस अननेसेसरी. So that sasti cheese is a bet. Never go for that. So here, if white leaps out and take the pawn, attacking this, now there are two attacks. ये तो confirm जाएगा, ये तो नहीं जाएगा ऐसा. इसको बचाने का एक ही तरीका है, ये तरीका है सिर्फ. This over here, ये बचा सकता है.
Two attack and two support.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely right. Who said that? That was correct. So second support has to be there. So this is one way. But black don't play that. क्योंकि ये जो bet दिया है उसको तो कुछ पाने के लिए दिया है. यहाँ पर you are not going to defend, and now black is going to attack. And that attack is very, very vicious attack. Vicious means extremely bad, and which we have seen in fried liver, if you remember. And if you are not remembering, very bad. Can anybody tell me the move from fried liver attack? We have seen how to control that fried liver attack, how to defend that fried liver attack. So if you have seen it and if you have by hearted it, there is a clear move over here. Who can tell me the move?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, of course. I don't want you to try. I want you to tell me. It is not a question of trying. It is a question of your remembering.
Queen to F6.
Queen to F6 is 50% good move. Yes.
Sir, bishop to D6.
Wrong. Nobody remembering fried liver attack. Durga, Prithvi, I was not expecting this from you.
Sir,
Sir,
Queen G5.
Perfect. Perfect. Dave is right. Queen G5. Attacking this and attacking this. Forget about this. So what does white plays? If white wants to protect this, he won't be able to protect this. And if white wants to protect this, he won't be able to protect this. Can you
Sir,
find any move?
It's like
Okay.
fork.
It's like a fork. Perfect. Yes. Can you find? See, somebody may find this. So this is a runaway for knight and blocking the attack. But this won't do much because there is a this move.
Sir,
Yes.
D2 pawn will move to D3. Then that bishop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then
Correct.
it can
Correct. 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 If this attack is there, then this will kill this. Because there is a support. So this won't help. If this comes over here directly, it won't kill. It will first attack. Now, if this goes over here, this is what supported little bit. Yes, support is there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Or sir,
This
first
is a good
only,
attack. Yeah,
first
yeah,
only
yeah.
when knight is in E5,
Hmm.
that time we can move the pawn in D3.
You can move the pawn in D3, attacking this, right? Then this will kill, no?
Huh.
This is little bit good move. This is little bit good move. But what happens in actuality? Nobody does this because all initiative gone. All initiative gone, and he tries for this fork.
But sir, king
And
can kill it.
king cannot kill
And
it. There is a support. King cannot kill it. So this is the second blunder by white. As this goes, then naturally this will come. अभी ये गया और चेक भी आएगा. इसने अगर ये मार दिया तो ये गया और चेक आया और मेट ऑलमोस्ट मेड इट इज. ये मार दिया तो ये चेक में ये बीच में आएगा तो वापस ये चेक. दैट वी हैव सीन ना. ये बीच में आएगा तो ये चेक. ये इधर गया तो ये मेट. So many different kind of mates are possible if and only if this knight goes and kill this.
sir, queen can
Yes.
also now kill that.
अरे अभी queen can kill this is वो छोड़ दो यहाँ पर mate is more important बेटा. You are right that queen can kill the pawn and all, or queen can kill that knight, but here the mate is there. So nobody will see the small things. Any doubt over here you can ask, because of this problem, this is over here. This is a greediness. This is a greediness, and then when black takes this, one must save this, and if it is saved, then what will happen? Check, and then this comes and mate again. Yes, Sia.
The knight is in still e5 position and the queen is in g5 position. Then we
Yeah, this over here, this over here, this over here, this over here. Yes, tell me now.
then sir we can take the queen to d4 with the support of the knight.
Queen to g4, knight is not supported. Goes. How you can support the knight? Knight support can be done this way. Somewhat better move. But again, this will go. Again, this is in trouble. Then this goes over here, then this problem will continue. This over here, then problem will continue. अभी ये जाएगा. You understand? और ये भी जाएगा. Lot of combinations here. Once देखो यहाँ पर आप लोगों को समझने के लिए मैं एक चीज बोलता हूँ. यहाँ पर क्या है, ब्लैक का हॉर्स एनिमी टेरिटरी में घुस गया राइट इन द बिगिनिंग, एंड वो वहां होने के बाद नेक्स्ट मूव इज व्हाट? नेक्स्ट मूव यू अलाउड क्वीन आल्सो almost on the border of your territory. So these two things can do havoc in the enemy territory. If at all you don't remember, I know that, but if at all you have read about Nowshera sector war 1971, or even Nefa war in 1962. Our India had three wars basically. But that Nowshera sector was deadly war. There we had done the same things with our very small planes, NAT. We were having very small planes named NAT, NAT. And Pakistan was having bigger planes, Sabre jets, given to them by America. And they were having many tanks. Those tanks were pattern tanks by America only. Many good tanks. And what we did with the small NAT planes, and we had a good army who fought against those tanks with only some hand grenades. Only they destroyed all tanks. Simple hand grenade going below the tank, planting those grenades below the tank. That was the weakness in that tank. We exploited and we won that war. So here also, when you allow your enemy to come inside your territory, you are going to lose. 100%.
So,
So this move is a bad move, basically. Everything free is not good, na? That is what I am saying. From this position, defending white is what I have suggested is this much only, it is okay. Not more than that. So if this comes, then you come over here and giving support. That's all. Then whatever black plays, so black can play this, then castle, then black can play this, inviting this over here, then this. Then straight away here, क्योंकि यहाँ गड़बड़ हो सकती है. So that it gets entry back, and then afterwards it will get this pawn over here, na? This pawn over here. It is a very good position for both then. But still, this is a big trouble. Attacking enemy के territory में. So this is anybody's game afterwards. It depends on how you play. There are certain traps inside this game also, but since I haven't studied it, I am not going to teach you now from black side. So you have to remember, most importantly is that when anybody plays you e4, e5 and you are black, somebody plays this, then you play this, and somebody plays this, the best way is you play this only, or you can play this only. No other move. That is what you have to remember. Ordinarily, if you go normally this also, this won't harm. No problem at all. This comes, then you kill, then he kill, then you check, then this comes, and keep the position like this and simply castle. That's all. Nothing, no harm is there. If this comes, then you kill, this kills, and then this comes. No, not this. This comes. Well, this is also good, huh? This is also good. This comes. But ये आएगा तो थोड़ा तकलीफ है, ये भी आ जाते हैं. But this is good. क्योंकि afterwards this pawn will also come and your knight is in the enemy territory and you have been castled. This pawn comes up, that means this is also free. This is also free. So everything is free. It is anybody's game now. Equal. Chances are 50-50. So what you have to remember is if you go in a normal way also, don't be greedy for taking this pawn. You know that. Taking this pawn is a greediness. We have seen yesterday. Taking one pawn is okay. And then you can continue. And to avoid all these things, everybody try to understand. Long back, people have started playing, instead of this, they started playing this. And this is called a Sicilian defense.
Sir,
And yeah, Dev.
even when I play with my family, they also do that. My grandfather do, because
yeah.
he tells if I play if I then both pawn, the way gets
No, I cannot hear.
if both the pawns are in e4 and e5, then no pawn can play ahead.
Yeah, but maybe that is their reasoning. But the real reasoning is that there are many traps hidden and everybody is not able to defend those things. And this is much safer way from black side to play. Much safer. perhaps the safest way for black to counter this e4 is this c5, and this is called as Sicilian opening, and we are going to study this opening more in our future classes. See, what you have to remember is that first few moves, if you could remember entire set of moves, great, you're genius. But first few moves, at least 10 moves, you should not make any mistake or any blunder so that you lose one pawn or one piece, which is bad. Then the game will fall. And that is what we have to avoid. And best way to respond for whites, this is this, because very small blunder is possible here. And it is so nice that nowadays you will be surprised that nobody plays e4 also. They are afraid that black will play this. They are much afraid. People can't play against Sicilian from white side without studying better. And that is why people don't play this at all, and people play this d4. This is altogether different openings. Very different. Little passive, as I said. Game is passive. Game is not much attacking. Or people play Sicilian from white side. This is a Sicilian from white side. It is called as English opening. This is what people play. So very popular when you play from white, very popular opening is this and this. Then there is one more opening, that is, what is this? This is called as a French defense, French opening, and it turns out to be, whatever black plays, it turns out to be King's Indian defense or like that. Don't write all these names because we are going to study one by one all the openings. At least 10 to 12 openings we are going to study. Step by step. But before that, your logic should improve. And I mean to say that if somebody is saying यहाँ पर ये इसको मारेगा नाइट को, तो ये बहुत गलत है क्योंकि यहाँ पर नाइट को सपोर्ट था ना. Sarnobat, you, I am so referring. This is bad. You must see the entire board all the time. What is at support? If you cannot kill anybody like that, particularly by king. From other possibilities are there, you can always say that. Illegal move, you don't say. So everybody, I will take back now. So I have shown you how to respond for e4, e5 and this over here and this over here. So today we are going to see something different also. Just wait for a while, 1 minute only. Half a minute, please. We have seen discovered attack.
No, sir. You only told about that.
We haven't done anything for that, right?
No, sir.
Discovered attack. Discovered attack. So today we will learn little bit about discovered attack. Yeah, all of you can see this. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here, What is discovered? Discovered means something which is hidden and then you find. Something it is there and you find, it is called as discovered. Something which is not there and then you find, it is called invented. That is the difference between the discovery and the invention. A bulb is made. So Edison